When Jesus entered the synagogue again, one man when him hand die dey there. The Pharisee people come dey look Jesus with corner eye whether he go heal the man for Sabbath day, so that they go see wetin they go take accuse am. So Jesus tell the man,
Make you stand for center, make everybody see you.
Jesus come ask,
E good make we do good or bad thing for Sabbath day? Make we save or destroy person?
but dem no answer. So Jesus vex come look dem round, because their heart strong well well. Then he tell the man.
Stretch your hand.
So the man stretch him hand, and the hand come well again. Then the Pharisee and Herod people come quick go outside go plan how dem go take kill Jesus. Then Jesus comot with him disciples go the water side, and plenty people from Galilee follow am, people from Judea, Jerusalem, Idumea, some from across Jordan River, and around Tyre and Sidon come meet am when dem hear about the things wey he dey do. Because of the people, Jesus come tell him disciples make dem prepare one small boat for am, so that people no go push am anyhow. Jesus come heal many people, so all the people wey no well come dey push each other so that dem go fit touch am. And anytime evil spirit wey dey inside some people body see Jesus, dem go fall for him front dey shout,
You be God, Pikin.
but Jesus come warn dem well well make dem no let people know who he be. Jesus climb go on top mountain come call the people wey he want, make dem come meet am for there. He come choose 12 wey he call apostles, so that dem go dey with am and he go fit send dem go preach. He come give dem power to drive demons comot. Na the 12 wey he choose be dis: Simon wey he call Peter, James and him brother John wey be Zebedee children, wey Jesus dey call Boanerges, wey mean thunder children, plus Andrew, Philip, Bartholomew, Matthew, Thomas, James wey be Alphaeus pikin, Thaddeus, Simon wey dem dey call Zealot, person wey dey fight for him country, and Judas Iscariot wey sell Jesus give him enemies.